Hello everyone. Today we have iPhone 13 mini and it's not powering on. There is no power, no life in this iPhone. So customer brought it here. So now we're checking with the power supply. We can see that it has short circuit. According to the power supply, it has short circuit. So we will separate the board and we will see where is the short circuit. So now we put it in the heating plate to separate the two boards. There are two boards soldering on each other, so we need to separate it by applying heat underneath the motherboard. So after we separated the two motherboard, we connected to the upper layer motherboard. We found out the short circuit is still there. So that means the short circuit in this board, not in the lower board. So we'll work in this one. So this is a traditional way to find where is the short circuit. So we see this IC melted the flux, but it might be any capacitor connected to this IC. We will figure out. We will come back to you. Thank you. So now we are going to use our terminal machine, the terminal image that can detect, like, see. So after we replace the faulty components, now I would like to show you the result. Customer was very concerned about the data in the motherboard, so I was successfully able to fix it. As you can see here, the phone is working. And the data is saved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put like and subscribe in the channel, and send it to anyone who's interested in data recovery or motherboard iPhone repair. We are in Richmond Hill, Maple cell phone and laptop repairs. Thank you so much.